quickly replace an image that you have added into your constant contact. So I got to this by going to marketing, and then I went to all campaigns. I clicked on my campaign, and I already had this email already kind of set up. If you want to learn how to create constant contact emails, there's a bunch of other videos online for that. I can also create one if you want. But just take a look at this. So I want to get rid of this image. So say this image is the big image at the top. When I click on it, it's going to give me these options at the top. So I can trash it. I could add spacing. I could center it. I could add a link to it. But I want to replace it. So I have this image and I want to try something else. I'll just go to replace. Now I can use library and it's all the stuff that I've uploaded before. So I could look for it in there. I could create something in Canva. I can grab a stock image gallery. And then that gives you like all kind of stuff from, you know, Shutterstock that you got to pay for. I can go with my computer. So I'm going to do that. But let me go ahead and close that because that was a little confusing. So what I want to do is I want to go to upload. So I have something on my computer that I want to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and go to upload. And then I'm going to go find it on my computer by selecting browse computer to upload. And then I'm going to find, let me just find an image. Here, let me get in this one here. Let's go here. Actually, let's do banners. Let me see. Oh no, it's yeah. All right. So anyway, I got this here. I got this thank you cable one that I made. I made it in Photoshop, and then you can't see it. It's a little off screen down here, but there's a button that says upload file. Let me see if I can drag it up. There we go. All right. So you click on upload files. It's gonna upload. And then it's like, it says success, but then what? You got to hit done down there. And now you're not done yet. Here it is. Then you got to click insert. And now it's going to put it right here. Okay. So this fit perfectly because I have the same image sizes. But if I, didn't want that, so I can click and drag it, make it different sizes and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and not use this image. Okay. So I'm going to put it back the way it was. So because it constantly saves. So I want to go ahead and replace it again. So I can also edit the image if I wanted to mess around and tinker around with the styles and stuff like that. But you should use a photo program instead of this thing that they're going to pop up here. So they have all this cool stuff you can click and add and edit the image, whatever. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and upload. I'm going to go back to my computer. And then let me find the one I was working on. Is it this one? Yes, it's that one. Okay, and okay. And upload files. Now, I had already uploaded this before, and the only reason I'm just uploading again is just because I didn't feel like digging for it. But it's in my system in there somewhere, right? I think it's right there, see? So anyway, insert. So I could have just clicked on that and then inserted it. And then it automatically saves all the time, but I'm just going to save it again just for myself. And then once you're done, you can preview it, send it to yourself, and take a look at it, see how it looks. But that's how you change the image, okay? Simple.